Only 25% of the population are true early chronotypes. For the other 75%, forcing a 5 a.m. wake-up actively reduces cognitive performance, increases cortisol, and can shorten sleep by 1 to 2 hours, the exact opposite of what productivity gurus promise. Dr. Michael Breus identifies four chronotypes. Lions, early risers, 15 to 20%. Bears, follow the sun, 50%. Wolves, night owls, 15 to 20%. And dolphins, light sleepers, 10%. The 5 a.m. club only works for lions. For wolves, it's actively destructive. Peak performance comes at 10 a.m. or later. The National Sleep Foundation recommends 7 to 9 hours for adults. If you go to bed at midnight and wake at 5 a.m., you're getting 5 hours, well below the minimum. Chronic sleep deprivation reduces IQ by 5 to 8 points and increases error rates by 30%. That's not productivity, it's self-sabotage. Step 1. Determine your chronotype. Free quiz link in description. Step 2. Set your wake time to get 7 to 8 hours from your natural bedtime. Step 3. Place your deep work block during your biological prime time, which may be 10 a.m., not 5 a.m. Step 4. Build a morning routine that energizes you, whatever time it starts. Take the free chronotype quiz linked in the description and design a morning that works with your biology, not against it. Your night owl brain is not broken. It's just wired differently.